안녕하세요. SJ님 감사합니다. For us now. Excuse me guys. Ano ko matagaw guys? Tama eh. Iman? Tandaan kayo ka. Dapat yung tubig. Laging blood pressure. Sabi kaya hindi talaga ayaw, hindi pwede. Blood pressure na
just to have you back again. Is there someone you know loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away. You don't really want you long to stay. I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Just to touch you again.
Pero di lang liwat ang natong makalimutan. Hindi na ko siya ngayon. Agoy. Yan yung bagay sauce. Sige na. May balik ko eh. Balik ko.